Hey guys, so we are here doing the makeup process of this video with ShopMissA. I have my products here. So yeah, we're gonna get started on that. I'm gonna pull my hair back and yeah, we're gonna get going. Let's go. Okay, it's pretty thick, comes out pretty thick. Okay, this is nice. I like the way it feels. I thought it was going to be sticky. It's not. Thank God. It kind of reminds me of the e.l.f. Actually, what I actually use, it kind of reminds me of the e.l.f. Velvet Finish Face Primer. I would compare it just by the feel of it. Now, I like that it took out, you know, it's one thing I love about the primer that I use is that it always looks like it's got some grease on it, even though it's not oily. I don't have oily skin, but it always has like a shine to it, and that takes that shine out, and I like that. Like the primer so far. Next is foundation. I bought two different. I don't know if it's going to be too light or not. Hang on. I can't really tell, but maybe if I do it like this. Yeah, that's going to be too late. A little too late there. I can handle it. Will I use this over what I've been using? No, I won't. For $1.88, this is really good makeup. This is really good for $1.88. Like, this is something I would think you would get at, you know, Walmart, like Maybelline. Okay, that's what it reminds me of. It's like your Maybellines. It's good for $1.88. You want a foundation, a quick fix. This is it. Now we need to set it, okay? Because again, we don't know how good this stuff's gonna be. I'm very satisfied with the outcome. Now, if I didn't buy both of them, I don't think I would be. So, that's just my personal opinion. Like I said, I need full coverage. You've seen the way my face looked before, and you see it now. It needed the full coverage. All right, so perfect setting powder. I don't normally use a setting powder. I use a powder. I couldn't find a regular powder. I went in with this. Plus, you know, I thought I do like the under my eyes to be light though. Okay. And this is a big thing. If you are 40 years old and older, stop putting powder underneath your eyes. Don't do it. It makes your foundation go into your crease. It makes the powder go into your creases in your eyes. We are aging women. We have wrinkles underneath our eyes now. No amount of foundation is going to cover that up. I mean, it will. It'll cover it up. But you putting powder over it's not. So quit doing that shit. Bake. We're going to bake it. We're baking it. We're baking it. We're baking it. We're baking it. Okay, I will say that it feels nice, okay? I mean, it feels like powder. I don't know what bad powder feels like. Anybody have any suggestions on bad powders? Look, how about this? Give me your worst makeup that you've ever used. Okay, we are going to have to, I put too much on, y'all. If it would have been just the right amount, it'd have been perfect. We're gonna fix it with concealer. We're gonna fix it with this. It's so far so good. I don't mind it, Again, we'll be able to tell everything in a couple hours how things are looking. Cut creases I do find easy. I'm doing one eye at a time. So now another trick you can do to kind of set this in motion here. Take your powder, put a little bit on your finger. Okay, so we're gonna put that to the side there. So this is, it's a liquid I love do blush. Alright, we are back. I ain't done nothing but laundry, so sorry guys. And it is now 2:49, so it's been an hour. Makeup still looks alright. I haven't touched nothing up. Alright, we got that. Now we're gonna brush our thing off. And now I'm gonna go into this palette with this lighter color. Blend it out. Alright. Now, we need to fix this. Eye primer. We're going to go back in and we're going to cut that crease really well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lighter brown, and I'm going to go on the outwards and kind of like give it a like a smoky eye type look. Kind of a shimmery, but most of the ones in this palette are. But we're going to go into that one. It's a little darker burgundy-ish color. Alright, now we're going to go into our lighter. There's the eye look. It's just a plain, simple eye look. Like so. Okay. Normally with a brown look, I wouldn't do an eyeliner, but because I bought it and we said we're going to do a full face, we're going to go ahead and do it. And it's beautiful packaging. Goes on like a dream. Doesn't run out easily. Hands down, my favorite eyeliner. I'll be purchasing again and again and again, which I already have it. You want a good eyeliner, bang for your buck? There you go. I know there's a bunch of great eyeliners out there, but I'm telling you, for $1.88, hands down my favorite. My personal favorite. Okay. Next up is we're going to go ahead and do my mascara, and then we're going to do, ooh, I did not get a lipstick today. We're going to go ahead and do mascara. We don't have a lipstick, but I have a lip oil that is from Dollar Tree, and so I will use the lip oil. It's not part of the AOA thing, but whatever. The eyeshadow is, if I was in a hurry, ran out of, well, I'm never gonna run out of eyeshadow, but if I was in a hurry and it was the first thing I grabbed and I just had to hurry up and put something on, yes, I would use it. Honestly, the colors I probably would reach for once in a while. I really enjoy the colors. And do it one eyelash, and I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and then we'll come back and show you the full look. Which one do we want to go with? I guess we're gonna go with Jean. These are AOA fluttery and dimensional eyelash. They're really pretty. I also, for this, just because I wanted to give you the full AOA experience here, I did forget some things. It's fine. We mentioned those. I even made the joke to myself, why am I buying this? I know to put my lashes on. I do. But I think I'll be using this, honestly. This little thing. Better than normally. So there's nothing wrong with using a tool. That's why they make them, right? There's your tool. Alright guys, this is the eye look. Going off camera, finish this eye, and we'll be back.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, makeup look is done, as you can see. That's the look. This is the look. We're all good. We're all done. Enjoy. Bye guys. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to have to be a little bit more quieter. It's late at night and my husband's asleep, so bear with me as we go through this site. This is what I purchased. It's $1.88. Now when I purchased all my items, they were on sale. They were like Black Friday sales, so I didn't pay the normal price, but these are the normal prices. I'm going to add them up for you. Okay, this is your Luminous Skin Veil Skin Tint. It's a skin tint. I didn't read that part, so it's not a full coverage. It is just a tint, so I'm glad I did buy it to go over the darker foundation. I'm glad I got it. This is your dewy foundation. It's supposed to be full coverage. I think it did its job. It's last all day, and with that tint over it, it really helped with my coloring. And again, $1.88. Okay. This is a concealer, $1.88. They were out of this color, so I ended up getting this color. They're out of this color now, but just check back. They might have your color. This is the powder. It's $1.55. It's a little cheaper than the other things. And this is your eyeshadow primer, $1.88. This is your mascara. It's $1.88 right now. They're out of all of them, but we'll show you some other things in a few. And this is your brow pen. It's on sale. That's the normal price, $1.55. Your mascara. This is your eyeliner, $1.88. Your eyeshadow palette, $1.88 for 9 colors. This is your eyelash glue, $1.88. It comes in white and black. I got black. This is the Clip Buddy. It's $1. I paid 75 cents. So, good stuff. This is Tokyo. I didn't use these in the look, but they're still probably decent lashes. They're $1.88. These are Jane. They're $1.55. These are the ones I used in the look. And last but not least, which we're going to be using soon, this is your cleansing balm. It's $1.77. And then your dark concealer, I use it for my, you've seen it. It's where I did my contouring. Alright, so your end price is $27.77. Now I'm going to take you through this website and let you look around. I'm going to take you to makeup. This Fat Lash is what I normally use from AOA. I really like it. I think it's better than what I was using, but still good stuff. So I strongly suggest getting this one. Just a personal preference. And it's a little cheaper. Blush. These are the blushes that we used. They're $1.88. I do not have, I did not buy them, so I'm not adding it into the price. I guess I can for you. If you get these, these are $1.88. You just went up for $29.65. And wait, since we didn't do lips, I'm gonna go ahead and lipstick. If I was to do lips, I would have went with probably would have went with these dollar lipsticks, which is $1, so $1. So with all of that in there, it would have came to $30.65 plus tax and shipping. So yeah, that's still, for a full face of makeup, pretty daggum good if you ask me. Anyways, this is ShopMissA. I'd suggest you go over there and check them out. And if you order anything and you do a full face, let me know in the comment section. Anyways, guys, thank y'all for watching my video. And if y'all have any other ideas for makeup, leave them in the comment section, and I will check your comments and try to get to those shortly. Anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I am out of here.